How to add a shop button on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can add a shop button on Instagram. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So I'm over here on Instagram, as you can see right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just simply going to go ahead and go into my profile and go into the settings option. So over here we'll click on the three hamburger icons and go into settings, and over here what we'll do is first we need to switch our account to a professional account. So simply click on the account option over here, scroll to the very bottom. You will see you have two options: add a new professional account or switch to a professional account. Just simply click on switch to professional account. It's going to switch your account to professional mode, which will give you more options. So we're going to click on continue, and over here they're basically going to ask you what best describes you. So over here you can choose whether it's an entrepreneur, digital creator, a blogger, restaurant owner, grocery store, shop and retail. So since we want a shop button, we're going to choose shop and retail, and then we'll just simply click on done option. Then it's going to switch our account to a professional account within the shop and retail niche. Okay, then over here basically it asks you whether or not you're a business account or a creator. We're going to choose business for this one and click on next. So then basically over here you add in your email address, your phone number, and your street address or location, and then you click on next. Right, you can either choose for an option to let this content be displayed on your contact info. It all depends on you. All right, then just simply click on next, and your account will be converted into a professional account. You can either connect to your Facebook account as well. We're going to skip right now, and then over here you basically do one of these three steps. Grow your audience, share content to view on Insight, and then you're good to go. Then your account will be created and you're good to go. Then once everything is done, just simply click on edit profile over here, and over here at the bottom you will see action button. Click on the action button, and over here you will see order food, book now, and reserve, and you basically add an action button, and this action button is going to be your Instagram shop. So you simply click on food over here, and then you select which type of service you want to connect to. Right, it's so easy. Same with booking over here, you can add any other button you want. It all depends on you. So pretty simple. That's how you do it. That's how you add a action button, basically a shop button on your profile. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.